I definitely did not see this coming, but here we are. Today I think we have some catching up to do. So, after some back and forth, we decided to keep this home in the family for us to enjoy as a second home. It holds a lot of special memories, and we're grateful to still have it as part of our lives. So that changes everything, right? I mean, this was all decided the night before that stick was supposed to go in the yard. So I feel like sometimes we just think, oh, things are going to be a certain way, and life just does not turn out the way that you ever expect it to. And that is how I feel about this and what we are going to be able to have for our family. So it's just so nice to know that all of these things that I was really stressed about, I just don't even need to worry myself about it anymore. Nobody's going to be walking through our home. I know that there might be a lot of questions, but I would just say what I'm going to say, and that's all. But I do want you to know that from time to time, you'll probably be seeing me clean this second property that we're going to have, and enjoying it in the different ways that we will. And who knows, eventually it might end up being one of the girls' houses, and they will get to enjoy it with their family. We will just have to see. There's no telling, and there are no promises. And I feel as if that is one thing that I have learned in this whole journey, from just everything, our whole life really, that you have these plans, you try to make certain plans, but rarely do things turn out the way that you expect them to. And it's really, things happen in God's timing and with His plan, and I'm okay with that. One of the things that I'm switching my mind to thinking now is that I'm not going to be packing everything as I had previously thought I would be. I am going to make sure that everything is here to use just as a normal home. All of the dishes, all of just even having our stuff here, just, that way we don't even have to pack a bag. If we're going to be spending time here, we're going to have things here. If we're going to be at our other home, then we will have stuff there. So it's just wonderful to, right now, especially after having moved not even a year ago, not to have that kind of stress, because, the more you think, and I had said that the next house is coming fully furnished. It will be nice just to be able to leave the furniture here. We only sold things at the last yard sale that we had that it was too much for the home. So there's not an abundance of furniture. I would say that, I have to constantly think, oh, where am I going to put this? And just, it just feels good. The house feels good. We have just enough, no, we have plenty. We have more than enough of everything, it feels like. But I feel that we're at a good place. I'm not sitting here thinking of new furniture to bring in or even furniture to take out, which feels good too. Now, the only thing that I would say is Jorge does want his workout equipment in the gym at the next home, so we will be taking that. But I do want to just let you know, because it's going to be kind of weird if I say, oh, yeah, we're going to be moving. The whole thought before was we were going to be selling this house, and then suddenly we're back here with all the same furniture and everything. That would be weird, right? So anyway, I'm looking forward to enjoying all the seasons still here. Like I said in a previous video where we're going, it's a bit warmer than it is here. The landscape is definitely different. We feel so incredibly blessed, and to be able to do this for our family, it just means a lot. I've spent a lot of time thanking God for just so many different things, and sometimes when you just feel like so much stress about different things, it's amazing how He can move the mountains. And, you know, then it's like, see, what were you worrying for in the first place? So we did tell our neighbors, and they were just so thrilled. Now, when are we going to move into the new house? Well, we're waiting for the tenants that are there now, because they're doing a lease back. We're waiting for them to find a home and to move all their stuff out. Now, they have until mid-August to do that, but it could be earlier. So there's no telling right now, but one of the wonderful things is that I don't feel like I have to live in limbo, really, with having all this stuff packed in it or anything like that. It will be, I would say, a lot smoother of a transition. That's the house update that I have for you today. Later this week, I am going to be sharing how I am pairing skirts and blouses. As many of you know, I have had an all dresses wardrobe for some time now, but now it's been fun to start adding back some blouses and skirts. So if you're interested in seeing that, I hope you will join me later this week. And until then, I look forward to seeing you in the comments.